In 1927, the Hutchison Manufacturing Company of Nashville patented the first 12-in-1, a multifunction tool revered by woodworkers of the time. Cut to 90 years later, add high-grade stainless steel plus precision state-of-the-art manufacturing, and you have the Woodpeckers 12-in-1. It's a 12-inch rule. T-square. Tri-square. Compass. Divider. Bevel gauge. Depth gauge. Marking gauge. Angle transfer tool. Protractor. Diameter gauge. And an inside measure rule. 12 essential functions, all in a precision-crafted tool that fits right inside your apron pencil pocket. The 12-in-1 from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.